Nightwing, Jumpman, and I think Mike Mitchell, and Jock Slade are the only videos I really watch.
Yo, what's good everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video, I want to do an unboxing. So I have a few items that I have here in my possession. About 3 items. The first one was actually sent to me a few weeks ago, and I figure since I had all these packages and I wanted to just do like a simple review on all of them, I just might as well. So the first one you might recognize, Nightwing had actually put out a video on these guys called HefeLuxx or HefeLuxx. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's insoles. So I've been wearing these things for probably about 2 weeks now. I received them about the same time that he has, and I had opened up, there's 2 different kinds actually. I'd opened up the thinner insole type. So this is actually Boost like material, so it feels just like Boost. It's soft and squishy, and you can put them in any sneaker. So pretty much I am a size 10, and so there are indentations just all the way around. It comes in like this full length insole type. It's about, I don't know, I have a ruler here. The thickness of it is probably about 10 millimeters or so. And so I understand that it's probably going to add a little bit of height into your shoes if you remove the original insole. And so it's just something that you might have to deal with. I think Nightwing had also noted in his video that, you know, they should have size specific insoles so that you don't have to deal with the cutting. So anyways, I commented on his video, right? And people were giving me a hard time. Like, I don't know how to cut these motherfucking things, and it's your fault if you don't know like how to properly insert them in the shoe. I don't know, whatever. But anyways, I followed directions, what HefeLuxx sent me, and it's just a little card, you know, that says, you know, shape it to your size. And so obviously I'm a size 10, right? And they have these lines here that go with a size 10. I tried one just by doing the lines with the cutout, and I tried the other with the original insole off a shoe. So I originally started with the Air Jordan 4 Bread, or the black cement, and I lined this up just the way it was, right? And it ended up being pretty much similar. So anyways, I cut this thing and I slipped it into the black cement 4, and because I'm a wide footer, I can feel the edges. As I put my foot in here, I could feel the edges of the insole. So that was a negative for me. I didn't like that, because whenever I put, you know, an insole or something different other than the original into a shoe, I want to be able to have no discomfort. I didn't get discomfort with this because, again, it is a soft and squishy insole, but I think just feeling the edges with my toes, it wasn't pleasant. And so anyways, I guess that's one fix that they should be able to do. I think these insoles are about 30 something bucks, and I think you get a pair. If you want the different one, I'm not going to open this one. I might even gift this away to somebody else, but we'll see. I'll drop a link in the description, and then also a promo code that they sent me if you guys want to save a little bit of money and you want to try these guys out. Again, like I thought they were super comfortable. I even put them in my Ultra Boost. I recently did a video on my Ultra Boost. I didn't put it in those new ones, but I put them into the Parley Ultra Boost ones. And can you imagine Boost on top of Boost? That's like maximum comfort, right? Again, though, with these, I think there should have been maybe some sort of torsional rigidity here, just because it is floppy a little bit. I would have liked something a little bit more of some sort of plate right here. Maybe just something, because I guess with my feet it's different, but you know, everyone's feet are different and to each their own. But this is HefeLuxx. All right, second thing, and I got this from a private individual who is in school and is starting a clothing line, and he wanted to send me some of his items that he was working on. And so let me go ahead and open this real quick so I can show you the merch. So he sent 3 shirts over. He goes, "This is Rob Dansby. I'm a college student at Winona State University, and I started my clothing brand called Tap In last year to help me pay for college and grad school. Shout out to you, Rob. I'm also a huge sneakerhead and a good collection of shoes. I also been watching your YouTube videos for the past couple years, and I like how you give great insight and comparisons on shoes. That's what I do. I do various things with clothing brand. I do hoodies, joggers, full tech fleece, jumpsuits, and beanies for now. And I just wanted to send you a few shirts from my clothing brand. I'm just trying to get my brand out there as much as I can. If you can post these shirts on your YouTube and Instagram page, that would be great. And for people to find out more about my brand, if they want to make a purchase, they can follow me. And I'll post all of that, you know, his follow stuff in the description below. Let's start out with the yellow one. Matches the Lakers hat. Yo, the Lakers are doing great this year, aren't they? Tap In shirt. Got a nice branding on the chest. Something I could definitely rock with. It's a Gildan tee. Oh yeah, I'll probably rock this one today. So they'll move on to this white one. Just a plain white tee with his branding again on the chest. Nothing on the back. There's a close-up of the logo there. It took him a while to send this stuff. We had actually been talking, I think, back in August. It's now November. And he's asking me if I received the stuff. And I'm like, well, the last time I talked to you was a month ago. I'm down to support somebody that's trying to make it and pay for college. So, again, shout out to you, Rob. Got a black shirt, a white shirt, and a yellow shirt. Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. I'll drop all of his information down in the description. All right, and finally, one other package I was not expecting. This is from a company called Smooth Gear. I've not heard of the company. I have not looked up any information regarding this company at all, so I'm in the dark right now. So let's see what they sent out. All right, here's a note. Yo, what's up?
What's going on? My bad. You sound like you're busy.
Oh, I am doing a video here, and you're gonna probably be in it. So shout out to the Sneaker Box podcast here on. This is the African Caesar here on my YouTube channel. So I'm just doing a small little unboxing from people that have been sending stuff. So cool. What's up, bro? And I won't put the rest on camera.
No, I mean, you do what you want to, man. I love your. First of all, you, Nightwing, Jumpman, and I think Mike Mitchell, and Jock Slade are the only videos I really watch. I think I might meander around YouTube and kind of look at other videos just to see what people are bringing to the table, but on a consistent basis is you guys. And I love yours because you appeal to the whole history of. And you're as detailed about when you do the comparisons, which I can't wait to see, by the way.
Oh, sweet.
Your 11 comparison.
Yeah, I hit on those yesterday, so I did 2-day ship. I should be getting them on Saturday. So yeah, I'll start working on that thing pretty soon. This week. So I'm excited to have that. I'm gonna have the OG, the countdown pack, the 2001, the 2012, and those. So it's gonna be pretty detailed. I love
seeing those videos.
You want to shout out anything, or while you're on?
Yeah, everybody tune into the Sneaker Box podcast every week on sneakerbardetroit.com. I think we are about 10 episodes away from 250 episodes, which doesn't sound like a lot, but when you consider there's only 52 weeks in a year, that's 4 and a half, 5 years right there worth of shows. And yeah, so shout out to you though. I mean, you've been a supporter of ours and love what you're doing, and hopefully we got another 5 years left in us. So.
Oh, and beyond, man. Hopefully, but that's the African Caesar, folks. You will probably hear this on a video if you subscribe.
Can't wait to hear this.
Yeah, man. All right, thanks for the call, bro.
All right. Yep.
Peace.
Peace.
All right, guys. So, Rashawn, African Caesar, good dude, man. All right, so back to this unboxing. I received a box from a company called Smooth Gear. I'm not sure if I was expecting one, but they sent over their business card. You can follow them on Smooth Gear on Instagram, Jeff Smooth on Twitter, and look, you got the code SMOOTH if you want to use that promo code. The expiration, it says within 30 days. I'm not sure if it's 30 days from when you sent it or what, but smoothgear.net. Thank you guys so much for sending that out. Got a couple stickers here as well. All right, and so it says, Marvin, enjoy a small sampling of our sneaker related tees from Smooth Gear. All right, appreciate it, man. All right, so first up, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3. Wow, they sent a lot. 4, 5, 6 tees. All right, we'll start from the bottom, work our way up. So the first one, don't look down. So I'm assuming this matches the Bread 11s that are going to be coming out. So you got that. You can notice with the print there on Don't, it matches pretty much the 23 font that's on the back of the Air Jordan 11. And then you got the Concord look with the look down. Pretty cool. You got the branding on the sleeve there. Smooth Gear. And then they got their own branding on the inside of the shirt as well. All right, so that's number one. The second shirt, and they label the types of shirts on their packaging. This one didn't have it, just said large, but this one specifically, this one's called the Blown Out, 2 Blown Out or 11 Blown Out. Oh, here, the 2 Blown Out. So you got the Air Jordan 2 all blown out just like how it is. So the Air Jordan 2 with the upper, the midsole, the outsole, they put Smooth in place of you know, the branding for Nike on the bottom. Got all the eyelets there and everything. Pretty cool. All right, third shirt, you got the LeBron 11 Gumbo. I don't collect a lot of LeBrons, but you know, nonetheless, just want to showcase. So there you go with that one. All right, the fourth shirt, got the Aqua 8 look. Don't look down again. And you got the patches just like it is on the Air Jordan 8, and then the graphic that's on the side of the Air Jordan 8. Pretty cool. And you got an Air Jordan 4 inspired Flight Club with the Smooth Gear logo right in the middle. So these are all just regular t-shirts, you know, no dry fit, nothing. So machine wash cold, do not iron design, tumble dry low, wash inside out. 100% cotton. So that's the fifth one. And then the last one looks like it is an Air Jordan 3 inspired shirt, gray in color with the elephant on the front for the Air Jordan 3. Futuristic style with a classic look, established in 1997. Pretty dope, pretty dope. All right, so Smooth Gear, thank you so much for sending this over. I appreciate that. So if you guys want to know any about any of these products, I will link it down in the description so you guys can go check it out. Thank you to Smooth Gear, HefeLuxx, and Rob Dansby for sending out stuff. If you guys ever want to send out anything, check out the description down below. Subscribe if you're new. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you. Take care.